Okay, the Barbie dresses are in, and now it's time for Math Bunny to go in. Hop in, Math Bunny. Good girl. And here's your soap. Do you want to pour the soap, Math Bunny? Yay. Okay. All right. Have a fun bath, Math Bunny. Math Bunny, are you in there? Are you okay? Where are you, Math Bunny? Here's some Barbie clothes. Where's Math Bunny? Come on, Math Bunny. Come on. I know you're in there. Where are you? Oh my goodness, Math Bunny. There you are. Did you do okay? Aw. Hi, Math Bunny. All clean? Good job. Math Bunny, you did such a great job getting clean and ready for the big day tomorrow. Oh my gosh, all the clothes came out so beautiful from the laundry. I have seen, there's Belle's dress. Oh my gosh, whose is that? Ooh, that's Elsa's dress. Nice and clean. Here's G.I. Joe's coat. Oop, Cinderella. Oh no, that's Sleeping Beauty's dress. Oh my gosh, that's Sleeping Beauty's dress. That looks like Belle's skirt. Here's some pants for the boys. Oh my gosh, this is so many outfits. It's going to take a long time to get all the Barbies dressed. I wish I had some help because it's almost Thursday. I think what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to use the magic wand. And I couldn't find my magic wand, but I was able to find Math Bunny's magic wand. Are you going to use the magic wand, Math Bunny, to help get these clothes on the Barbies really quick? Yeah, you are? Okay, Math Bunny, give it your best shot. Math Bunny, it worked. Most of the outfits went. Did they all go? Uh-oh, some are left. What's left? Elsa's gown, and Anna's skirt, Rapunzel's dress, Cinderella's gown, and Wonder Woman's outfit. Oh no! Oh no! Can you use your magic wand one more time? Try to get the Barbies dressed? Okay, give it a good whack. It worked, Math Bunny. Can you help Anna? Can you help Wonder Woman? Can you help Rapunzel? Can you please help Cinderella? I sure can. You did it, Math Bunny. Thanks. Let's find Elsa. Hi, Elsa. You did it. You're so beautiful. Thanks, Math Bunny. Let's go to the math party. Yeah, let's go. Come on, let's go.